Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of thermodynamics, and we're going to unravel a fundamental concept, enthalpy. Now you might be wondering, what on earth is enthalpy? Well, it's a measure that we often use to quantify the total heat content of a system. But why is this important? Well, understanding enthalpy allows scientists and engineers to predict how energy will be transferred in chemical reactions and physical processes. It's like having a crystal ball that tells us how heat will flow. Enthalpy plays a pivotal role in so many applications. From designing more efficient engines to developing new materials, it's a crucial piece of the puzzle. By harnessing the power of enthalpy, we can unlock a world of possibilities. So let's demystify this essential thermodynamic quantity together and shed light on its significance. Get ready to explore the incredible world of enthalpy and discover how it shapes our understanding of energy transfer. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing insights.